Understanding the phrase, blind drunk, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video. We're going to explore an interesting and vivid phrase in the English language, blind drunk. It's a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or even in casual conversation. Understanding such phrases not only helps in improving your language skills but also gives you a peek into the cultural aspects of language use. So, let's dive in. The phrase, blind drunk, is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone says they were blind drunk, they mean they were extremely intoxicated to the point of being unable to see clearly or losing their sense of judgment. It's important to note that this phrase is quite informal and often used in casual or colloquial settings. While it's not entirely clear where blind drunk originated, it's believed to date back several centuries. The word blind, in this context, doesn't literally mean the loss of sight, but rather a metaphor for the loss of control or awareness that comes with heavy drinking. Understanding the origin of such phrases can often help us grasp their true meaning and usage. To better understand how to use blind drunk, let's look at some examples. After his birthday party, he was absolutely blind drunk and couldn't even remember how he got home. They warned her not to drive if she was going to be blind drunk at the end of the night. In these examples, blind drunk describes a state of high intoxication, often implying a negative consequence or a warning against certain actions while in that state. It's crucial to understand the appropriateness of phrases like blind drunk. Since it's informal and somewhat colloquial, it's best used in casual conversations, informal writing or narratives. However, avoid using it in formal or professional settings, academic writing, situations where the topic of heavy drinking might be sensitive or inappropriate. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, blind drunk, and how it's used in the English language. Remember, exploring idiomatic expressions can be both fun and challenging, but it greatly enriches your understanding of a language and its cultural nuances. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful language learning videos.